Good morning everybody, class 5. Today I take your mental math class. And in the previous day I have already completed 49 and 50. Worksheet chapter 4, worksheet 49 and 50. Today I start 51. Now I start 51. You all students follow your book. Worksheet 51. Question number A. Express each of the following in its lowest terms. That is 1. 7 divided by 2 by 10. That is 7 divided by 2 by 10. 7 by 1 into reciprocal 10 numerator and 7 divided by 2 by 10. That is reciprocal 7 by 1 into 10 by 2. 2 5 ja 10. That is 5 7 ja 35. Answer 35. 2. 4 divided by 1 by 11. 4 divided by 1 by 11, that is 4 into 11 by 1, that is 11. 4 11 ja 44. Answer 44. 3. 6 divided by 1 by 9. 6 1 by 9 reciprocal 9. 6 9 ja 54. That is 54. Answer. That is 6 9 ja 54. That is 54. Answer. 4. 7 by 4 divided by 10 by 12. 7 by 4 divided by 10 by 12. That is 7 by 4 into 12 by 10. That is 4 3 ja 12. That is 7 10. नहीं कट जाएगा. So 7 3 ja 21 by 10. 10 1 ja 10 2 ja 20. That is 1. That is 2 1 by 10. Answer. 2 1 by 10. Answer. 5. 7 by 5 divided by 4 by 6. 7 by 5 divided by 4 by 6. That is 7 by 5 into 6 by 4. That is 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. That is 7 into 3, 21. 5 into 2, 10. That is 10 2 ja 21. That is answer 2 1 by 10. Okay. 6. 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 by 12. 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 12. 1 by 5 into 12 by 3. That is 3 4 ja 12. So 4 by 5. Answer 4 by 5. 7. 8 8 by 9 divided by 8 by 9. That is 8 8 by 9 divided by 8 by 9. 8 9 ja 72 and 8 80. 80 by 9 divided by 8 by 9. 80 by 9 into 9 by 8. 8 10 ja 80. 9 9 1. 9 1 ja 9. So 10. Answer 10. 8 2 1 by 5 divided by 11 by 5. 2 1 by 5 divided by 11 by 5. That is 2 5 ja 10 1. 11 by 5 divided by 11 by 5. 11 by 5 into 5 by 11. That is 1. Answer 1. 9. 3 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9. 3 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 9. 3 3 ja 9 1. 10. 10 by 3 divided by 1 by 9. 10 by 3 into 9 by 1. 3 3 ja 9. 10 into 3 30. That is 30. Answer. 10. 11 10 by 11 divided by 3 1 by 9. 11 11 10 by 11 divided by 3 1 by 9. 11 11 ja 121 plus 10 131. That is 11 by 11 divided by 3 9 ja 27 128 by 9. 131 by 11 into 9 by 28. That is 131 into 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, carrying 2, 9 1 ja 9, 2 11. And 11 8 ja 88, carrying 8, 11 2 ja 22 or 8 30. That is divided division 308 into 3, that is 924. If we subtract 1179 by 924, that is 9 minus 4 5, 7 minus 2 5. 1 means 11 by minus 9 2. That is 3 254 by 308. Answer. Worksheet 51. Question number 11 to 16 given in class as homework. So just I have completed worksheet 51. Now I start worksheet 52. A. Fill in the blanks. 2 by 3 of 12 centimeter equal to 2 by 3 into 12 centimeter. 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. That is 8 centimeter. Okay. 2. 3 by 4 of 8. That is 3 by 4 into 8 kilometer. That is equal to blank meter. 1 kilometer equal to 3 by 4 into 8 kilometer. That is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 8 kilometer equal to 8 into 1000, 8000 meter. That is 3 by 4 into 8 into 1000, 8000 meter. So 4 2 ja 8 000. So 3 2 ja 6, 6000 meter. Answer 6000 meter. I repeat it again. 3 by 4 of 8 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, so 8 kilometer equal to 8000 meter. So 3 by 4 into 8 kilometer, that is 8000 meter. So 4 2 ja 80, 000, 2000. 2000 into 3, 3 2 ja 6, 6000 meter. That is answer 6000 meter. 3. 4 by 5 of 15 milliliter. 4 by 5 into 15. That is 5 3 ja 15, 4 3 ja 20, 3 4 ja 12 millimeter. Okay. That is question number 4. 3 by 5 of 40 millimeter. That is 3 by 5 into 40. That is 5 8 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24 milliliter, 24 milliliter. 5. 7 by 10 of 6 meter. That is 7 by 10 into 6, 6 centimeter. That is 1 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter equal to 6 into 10 meter. Sorry. I again repeat. 5. 7 by 10 of 60 meter. That is 7 by 10 into 60. 10 6 ja 6, 60. That is 7 6 ja 42. Answer 42 meter. 6. 3 by 4 of 24 liter. That is how many milliliter? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. That is 24 liter equal to 24 into 1000, 24,000 milliliter. That is 3 by 4 into 24,000 milliliter. 4 6 ja 24, 6000. That is 3 6 ja 18, 18,000 milliliter. 18,000 milliliter. 7. 2 by 5 of 20 toffees. That is 2 by 5 into 20 toffees. That is 5 4 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8 toffees. 8 toffees. Answer. 8. 3 by 8 of 40 kilometer. That is equal to meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 40 kilometer equal to 40,000 meter. That is 3 by 8 into 40,000. That is 8 5 ja 40, 5,000. 3 5 ja 15,000. That is 15,000 meter. 9. 5 by 8 of 8 dozen pencils. 1 dozen equal to 12. That is 8 dozen equal to 12 into 8, 96. That is 5 by 8 into 96. 8 12 ja 96. 5 12 ja 60. 60 pencils. Answer. 10. 2 by 3 of 3 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 3 hours equal to 60 into 3, 180 minutes. That is 2 by 3 into 180. 3 6 ja 80, 0. 2 6, 60 into 2, 120 minutes. Okay. Now B. Bina and Mina ordered pizza. Bina ate 2 by 6 of the pizza and Mina ate 3 by 6 of the pizza. Who ate more and how much more? Bina ate 2 by 6 of the pizza. Mina ate 3 by 6 of the pizza. That is 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. So 3 by 6 ate Mina. That is Mina ate more, and how much? So 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6, 3 minus 2, 1 by 6. That is answer. Mina ate more by 1 by 6, by 1 by 6. Mina ate more by 1 by 6. That is, again I repeat, Bina and Mina ordered a pizza. Bina ate 2 by 6 of the pizza and Mina ate 3 by 6 of the pizza. Who ate more and how much more? Bina ate 2 by 6 of the pizza. Mina ate 3 by 6 of the pizza. That is 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. That is 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. 3 minus 2, 1 by 6. That is 3 by 6 ate Mina. So Mina ate more by 1 by 6. Okay. C. Pankaj takes 2 by 6 of an hour to reach school. Express the duration in minutes. That is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. That is 2 by 6 into 60. 6 10 ja 60, 10 2 ja 20. So 20 minutes. Again I repeat, Pankaj takes 2 by 6 of an hour. 7 by 10 Pankaj takes 2 by 6 of an hour to reach school. Express the duration in minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 2 by 6 into 60, 6 days that in 10 to the 20 minutes. Answer. Now I start worksheet 53. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A fraction that has 1 as numerator is called a dash fraction, unit fraction. A fraction that has 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. 2. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions, and fractions having different numerators are called unlike fractions. 3. Fraction whose denominator is greater than their numerator is called proper fraction. 4. Fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. 5. Dash numbers consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. 6. Two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction. Again I repeat, that is A. Fill in the blanks. 1. A fraction that has 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. 2. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions, and fractions having different numerators are called unlike fractions. 3. Fraction whose denominator is greater than their numerator is called proper fraction. 4. Fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. 5. Dash numbers, mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. 6. Two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction. B. Write in descending order. Put the appropriate sign. Descending order means smallest to greatest. 3 by 9, 8 by 9, 11 by 9, 2 by 9. Denominators are equal. So 2 by 9 less than 3 by 9 less than 8 by 9 less than 11 by 9. Answer. 2. 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 2 by 6. That is denominator are not same, different. So first of all we take the LCM of 6, 3, 5, 6. That is 6, 3, 5, 6. 2. 2, 3 is 6. 3, 5, 2, 3 is 6. 3, 1 is 3. 3, 1 is 3. 5 is 3. That is LCM 2 into 3 into 5. 2, 3 is 6. 5 is 30. That is denominators we have to make the denominators equal. 1 by 6 equal to 1 into 5, 6 into 5, 5 by 30. 2 by 3 equal to 2 into 10, 3 into 10, 20 by 30. 1 by 5 equal to 1 into 6, 5 into 6, 6 by 30. 2 by 6 equal to 2 into 5, 6 into 5, 10 by 30. So in these numbers, the smallest 5 by 30, 5 by 30 less than 6 by 30 less than 9, and 10 by 30 less than 20 by 30. 5 by 30 equal to 1 by 6, 6 by 30 equal to 1 by 5, 10 by 30 equal to 2 by 6, 10 by 30 equal to 10 by 30 to 5, 10 by 30 equal to 10 by 1 by 5 equal to 6 by 30, 2 by 6 equal to 10 by 30. So 1 by 6 less than 1 by 5 less than 2 by 6 less than 2 by 3. Answer. Write in descending order. Put the appropriate sign. Descending means greatest to smallest. 18 by 13, 8 by 13, 7 by 13, 15 by 13. That is 18 by 13 greater than 15 by 13 greater than 8 by 13 greater than 7 by 13. So this is answer. 2. 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 6, 3 by 4. Denominators are unequal. So we have to do the LCM. 3, 5, 6, 4. 2. 3, 5, 2, 3 is 6, 4. 3, 1 is 3, 5, 3, 1 is 3, 2. LCM 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. 2, 3 is 6, 5, 6 is 30, 32 is 60. That is we have to make equal denominator. 2 by 3 equal to 2 into 20, 3 into 20, 40 by 60. 3 by 5 equal to 3 into 12, 5 into 10, 36 by 60. 5 by 6 equal to 5 into 10, 6 into 10, 50 by 60. 3 by 4 equal to 3 into 15, 4 into 15, 45 by 60. That is 50 by 60 greater than 45 by 60 greater than 36, 40 by 60 greater than 36 by 60. For 50 by 60 means 5 by 6, that is 5 by 6. 45 by 60 means 3 by 4. 5 by 6 greater than 3 by 4. 40 by 60 means 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Then 36 by 60 equal to 3 by 5. So 36 by 3 by 5. So 5 by 6 greater than 3 by 4 greater than 2 by 3 greater than 3 by 5. Answer. Now D. Kajol sleeps for 8 hours in a day. What fraction of a day does she sleep? That is, one day equal to 24 hours, that is 8 hours of 24 hours. 8 by 24, that is 8 3 is 24, 1 by 3. That is, Kajol sleeps 1 by 3 in a day. What fraction of a day? In a day, Kajol sleeps 1 by 3. Okay, answer. Ravi ate 2 by 3 of a pizza and Kofi ate 10 by 15 of a pizza. Did they eat the same fraction of a pizza? 2 by 3, 10 by 15. LCM of 3 by 15, 3 on the 3, 3 5 15. That is 2 by 3 equal to 2 into 5, 3 into 5. That is 10 by 15. 10 by 15 means 10 by 15. So 10 by 15 equal 10 by 15. So 2 by 3 equal 10 by 15. Actually, if you do cross multiplication, 15 to the 30, 3 to the 0, they are equal. They ate the same fraction of pizza. Answer. So today I do chapter 4 worksheet 51, 52 and 53, and you have to practice these sums at home, and I do some homeworks also. You do your homeworks in your book, and next day I start 54. Okay, thank you.